Hello everyone, it's me Chevy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make the refresh rate number appear on the screen of any Android smartphones or tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen. So here I will show you two methods how you can make the refresh rate number appear on the screen. So the first method will be without using our third-party application, and the second method will be using our third-party application. So for the first method, what you need to do is just go to the phone settings and just scroll down, and on the below you can see about phone. Just tap on it and just tap on this software information, and now just keep tapping on this build number unless you see developer mode is being turned on. So in my case the developer mode is already being turned on, so you can see here. So kindly turn on the developer mode option, and after that at the bottom you will see a developer option. Just tap on it. Now under the developer option, just scroll down Now you can see here one option available, show refresh rate. So when you enable this, you can see on the left top corner it's showing the refresh rate number. So right now my Android display is using a 60 Hz refresh rate, so it's showing 60. So if you are using a 120 Hz, then it will show 120 Hz, and if your Android screen is using a 144 Hz, then it will show the 144 Hz also. So if you want to disable it again, just move back to the same option, just disable this option, and this number will disappear again. So this is the first method to make the refresh rate number appear on the screen. So for the second method, what you need to do is just open the Play Store app, and in the Play Store search for one application name as Display Checker with Real Time. Just search this application, and on the first list you will see this application. Just tap on it. Now tap on install to install this application. So wait for a few seconds until the complete installation is done. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. On opening, it will show all the details of your respective Android smartphone display or resolution size. So I'm not gonna discuss all these options, so I'll directly jump on the topic. So scroll down below and you will see here option show real-time refresh rate. So just turn it on. Now allow the permission. Just enable this display checker option. Move back. Now you will see on the right top corner you are seeing a refresh rate number. So you can see. And the good thing about this application is that you can change the position and the size of this number, and you can increase the size, and even you can change the position wherever you want to set it. So you can see here. So in the earlier method we don't have such features to change the positions of this refresh rate number. So if you want to disable it, just turn it off and it will disappear again. So using these two methods, you can make the refresh rate number appear on the screen of any Android smartphones or tablets very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.